Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect QuickBooks to PayPal. Integrating PayPal with QuickBooks is going to allow you to automatically record sales, fees, and transfers. So let me show you how to do it. Now, the first is for QuickBooks Online. What you want to do is to go to Apps and then search for Connect to PayPal. Then you're going to click Get App Now and sign in with your PayPal account credentials. Then you're going to grant the requested permissions and then configure your settings. You can choose how transactions are imported. You can also map PayPal sales to the correct income account, as well as to enable fee recording. For QuickBooks Desktop, you want to use a third-party app like Transactions Pro or PayPal Feeder. Just download PayPal transactions in CSV or QBO format and then import into QuickBooks via bank feeds. A pro tip is to regularly reconcile your PayPal account in QuickBooks to catch missed or duplicate transactions. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.